Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real nice Guyana. So look what we got here today. We got some shrimps, some white belly shrimps, and we're gonna be making some shrimp curry today. We have some green mango, there. We're gonna be putting some green mango in there. We have our curry powder and so on there. So let's get started with this shrimp curry, guys. If you would like to order any dishes from us, contact us at 647-891-6583. As you guys know, we are in Toronto, Canada, in Scarborough, in the Markham and Lawrence area. So just give us a buzz and we can prepare whatever you want. If you want party trays, religious functions, just some roti or dal puri or whatever, just hook us up and we'll be happy to serve you. Thanks. So we're gonna get our seasonings ready. So we got a nice big onion there. We're only going to be using half. Alright, so we have the onion cut up there. Next is the shallot, scallion. Alright guys, so we're making our curry paste now. So we're adding the curry powder, roasted ground jeera, garam masala and turmeric there to our blended garlic. So to this we're gonna add some water to make our paste, right? So we have our scallions, tomato, onion cut up here already, and we have a green mango. So you don't wanna, when you're putting green mango in your curry, you don't wanna put too much because you can make the curry overly sour. So that's something to keep in mind. It's a nice thing to add to your shrimp and fish curry, but at the same time you can't add too much because it's gonna throw off the taste of your curry. So we've added some oil to our karahi here. We're gonna let it heat up a bit and then we're gonna get going. And the best thing to have some shrimp curry with green mango is some rice. That's it. That's all you need to go with your shrimp curry with green mango. Some rice. So we're gonna be cooking our rice in here. We have the water heating up and our oil heating up. So I see the shrimp's done clean already. It's washed out a bit already. It's washed out already as actually. But we don't want to show you all this. Shrimps is take long for clean. So you don't want to fall asleep in the video and so. So we clean them out and thing. We have it ready for you right here. So we're gonna give it a next wash before we start. So we're gonna wash out the shrimp here back again one time, then we'll have everything ready. So this is the sweetest shrimp, tastes better than the cold shrimp. Tastes sweeter than the cold shrimp. Goes very nice with your vegetable, with your pumpkin and shrimp, bhaji and shrimp. This is the kind of shrimp that's best to go with your vegetables. Alright guys, so our oil is hot. We're starting off with the onions as usual. Release some flavors there into our oil. We're adding some water to our curry paste now. The onion only needs to be fried for like about 30-45 seconds. Let it get a little bit of color there. Release some flavors. Add our curry paste. to release even more flavors here now. Build up the flavors there. So it's been about 2 minutes, guys. Our curry paste is cooked, so we're gonna add the shrimp. Also look at that shrimp there, guys. So we're gonna add some salt to taste now. We're gonna leave this, let it bunge. Mango sauce. No resistance. I'll take out the little seeds now. Alright guys, so if you were cooking fish or a little harder fish or whatever, you throw your mango in a little later, but we gotta throw the mango in now because shrimp doesn't take very long to cook. Throw the mango in now because the shrimp doesn't take very long to cook. And the tomato. Tomato, tomato, tomati, all the same. Looking good there, ready, right? Ready for some rice. Alright, see you in a bit. We're gonna cover this. So we finished washing our rice here, guys. We're gonna add this to the pot now. So we have added the scallions as well to the curry. We added the Sijan there, guys. We're gonna give that a little mix. Alright, so it's time to add some water now. We're gonna give this a good mix. Alright, so we're gonna just let this boil here. The Sijan is gonna be cooked. Now by the time this dries down a little bit, it's gonna be done and ready. So see you in a bit, guys. So we just added some water to the rice. The wet rice was drying down. Adding a little bit more. Alright, so we're gonna add some fresh tomato here. Cut up tomato. The ones we put a little bit before, but that one's all mashed up. So we're gonna add some now. It's close to finish. So we're gonna add our scallions now, guys. That's looking good. Needs a little bit more drying down. But we're gonna add the scallions now. There you go. Alright, so our shrimp curry with mango and Sijan is ready. So here's the review. You got our rice done. And the curry, the shrimp curry. You sure you're ready? This is shrimp curry. This is a magnificent curry. Real Guyanese traditional shrimp curry. And here it is. Look at that. Who's ready to eat? I know I am. So I'm gonna go dig into this a little bit. Can't look at this and not have a taste, right? So here goes. So let's take out some of this food here, guys, for a taste. So that's the rice. Time for some curry now. Some of the shrimp curry. Sijan, of course. And a piece of the green mango. Dig in here. I'm gonna take a bite for you guys, of course. You know, I won't leave you hanging. So here we go. Wow, nice, delicious, bold flavors of the curry. Just dancing on your tongue. Nice. Tomato. Oh, really delicious, guys. So here's the mango. Wow, nice. And we still have the Sijan. The Sijan yet? Oh, it's dripping juices. Gotta be careful. Yeah, maybe too much light there. I'll still taste some of that mango in the Sijan as well. Very nice. So thanks for being with us for this delicious shrimp curry with green mango and Sijan, guys. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share the video, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.